Every morning before trading opens, I need the same information to make trades. Key levels, a read on direction, and what's on the economic calendar. I used to pull that from 3 or 4 different places, and then I'd have to keep it all in my head. This tool, Session Edge, will put it all in one place. And it gives me a score of bias before the market opens. It only takes a few minutes to do, so I want to show you how this works. I'm looking at the previous trading day, and I want to find my high, which looks like 25389. I enter that in Session Edge. I'm going to look at my low. My low for the day was 25225. Let's enter that in Session Edge. And then the close for the day. If I go over this last candle, then we're closing at 25333. So we can see this tool already starts populating. I'm going to go to my high for the overnight. And so my high for the overnight. That was way over here, and we're about 25192. Let's go back to Session Edge to enter the value. And then my low for the night. We're way back over here, and we were at a low of 24943. I will enter that in Session Edge. And then I want my VWAP, and that's currently on my chart. You can see 25062. We'll go back to enter this value. Then the current futures price, we're looking at 25185. The tool marks exactly where I am in the level stack, with point distances to every level above and below me. So I can also go in and look at my calendar. For me, I use Financial Juice that tells me what's going on for the day to see if there's anything that is big on the day that's going to impact trading. For this day, we don't have anything currently showing on the calendar, so I'm not going to enter anything there for real, but the idea would be if you had like the Fed speaking that day, you could then rate it. Is that going to be a high impact, low impact, medium impact for your day? That will then affect what the final scores will be. So the bias value scores as I fill things in. Session Edge has 3 checks: price versus the pivot, the overnight range, and the economic calendar. Right now, I'm getting a 2 out of 3, which is a lean long. And of course, I want to confirm that at the open of the market with the price action before I make any trades. Price above the pivot favors longs, below it favors shorts. Resistance is where sellers show up. Support is where buyers step in. R1 through R3 above, S1 through S3 below. Fibonacci levels mark the common retracement zones from yesterday's range. And VWAP is a weighted average. Price tends to respect it. The tool will also give you the option to print and save a PDF. So this allows you to save your information for your trading day. So you can go back and reference that for tracking what your trades look like. Session Edge is a one-time download, single HTML file. Works offline, no subscriptions. Link in the description.